These are the supplies you're going to need for this step. Your hot glue gun, your cut paper tubing, your ribbon, and this is for spring, so I'm using pink, a ruler to measure, and scissors to cut. So first I want you to, and this is thinner ribbon. It's not super thin ribbon because you don't want to wrap with super thin ribbon. You'll be doing that all day. But this is a thinner ribbon, so I'm going to need 82 inches. Okay? So I want you to take your hot glue gun and just do a little bit right inside. And then you're going to attach, and be careful because it's hot, your pink ribbon on the inside of that. And make sure this is the side that you wanted to use on your ribbon. You're then going to take your hot glue, and if you need to use craft glue rather than hot glue, that's fine. Then you're going to pull that ribbon through, and you're going to do another line. Now, if you do these closer, so you have really small pleats, you need to add a little bit more ribbon. Okay, so I have my ribbon done. Now I want you to cut it just so there's a little piece of it left. Take your glue, put your glue on the end, and fold it over. It doesn't matter if there is a little bit of the cardboard showing on the inside, because here it is finished and looking lovely.